Sometimes our pets can have different, even annoying sleep schedules. But is that just a personality quirk or a species-wide trait? Well, today our Pet Vet on Call brings us a fun fact about cats.
Everybody knows what nocturnal means. That means animals are active during the night and they sleep all day. And then there's diurnal, like us, that are active all day and then sleep all night. Cats are neither. A client of mine, Ken Siekman, educated me on this word. It's the word of the week, crepuscular. That means that your animal is active during the dim light moments of the day, like dusk and dawn, and then they sleep all day and all night. So his question was, why does my cat wake me up at 3 o'clock in the morning? And my answer is because it's a cat and she can.
Crepuscular. We all learned something today. We invite questions from anyone. If you have one, you just send it to petvet@koamtv.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday right here on KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we have Orchid, a female short-haired kitten. Look at that. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have Buddy. The shelter says he's a 1-year-old terrier pit bull boxer mix who they say loves cuddles. If you're looking for a pet, why not at least check out your local Humane Society? They always have a lot of great ones to choose from.